Check it out, new mic day. I went with the DJI Mic 2 because it has Bluetooth, which the one doesn't have. So you get a receiver, transmitter, a pouch, a magnet, a dead cat windscreen, mobile phone adapters, an audio cable, splitter cable. Nicely packaged up here in the pouch, the quick start guide and the vinyl labels. And you got some silica, not quite rubber, but kind of a synthetic. Ooh, some more silica gel. Microfiber lined cables on the left with receivers, transmitters. Out we pop. We've got the receiver, the transmitter. I love the translucent look here, and the dead cat windscreen. Receiver first of all, DJI branding. Along the side, you've got a headphone output, 3.5mm audio jack, a hot shoe adapter, so you can connect this to put it on top of your camera. You've got the contacts, and if I can slide this forward, you can add on one of the adapters to connect this to your iPhone, Android device. You've got a USB Type-C charging port as well as a data transfer port here. And along the other side, you've got the power button. So, and along the top here, you've got the Mic RX here. I'm just going to press the power button, and you've got the scroll along the right hand side, which also does clip. Transparent transmitter here with DJI branding along the front. It's actually embossed into the plastic. It's not a sticker along the front. You've got the power button and the link button. You've got a very powerful clip here with a very powerful magnet that I can't move with just one finger. You got the USB Type-C data transfer and charging port there with a extendable lavalier port along the top and some contacts along the bottom. Looks very nice. Can also use a dead cat windscreen and plug that straight in. Bringing in the mic here, you can see it's already picking up the audio. Crammed into the left hand side here, you've got the audio cable, the splitter cable, and the two adapters depending on where you're going to plug the receiver into. So USB Type-C with the contacts underneath there, and if you're a Apple user, a lightning connector with their contacts along them. We'll take the Type-C connector here, line up the two arrows in the same direction here, and click that in. So it's flush along the back. Comparison, I'm using the S24 here, so we'll switch over to the DJI Mic 2. So you should be able to hear a noticeable difference. This has 14 hours worth of internal recording, 32-bit float internal recording as well. So let me know what you think of the audio switching from an S24 to the DJI Mic 2.